In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to lengthen photo playtime on Clipchamp so your images stay on screen longer and your videos feel more polished and professional. If you've ever added a photo to your Clipchamp timeline and felt like it disappears too quickly, don't worry, this is a super simple fix, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss a small detail that can make a big difference. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Clipchamp tips and editing guides. Let's get started. First, open Clipchamp and go to any project of your choice. You can either create a new project or open an existing one where you've already added photos to your timeline. Once your project is open, look at the timeline section at the bottom of your screen. This is where all your media, including videos, images, text, and audio, appears in sequence. Now, click on the image in your timeline that you want to adjust. When you select the image, you'll notice that its duration is visible above the timeline, just below the play button in the preview window. This number shows how long the image will stay on screen during playback. By default, Clipchamp usually sets images to a few seconds, which might be too short depending on your project. If you want your photo to stay visible longer, here's what you need to do. Move your mouse cursor to the edge of the image clip in the timeline. You'll notice that your cursor changes, indicating that you can resize the clip. Click and drag the edge of the image to the right to increase the playtime. As you drag, you'll see the clip becoming longer on the timeline, and the duration number will increase accordingly. This means your photo will now remain on screen for a longer period. You can drag it as far as you need depending on how long you want the image to display. If you accidentally make it too long, simply drag the edge back to the left to shorten it again. It's completely flexible, so you can adjust it until it feels just right for your video. After adjusting the duration, always preview your changes to make sure everything looks the way you want. To do this, click on the play button in the preview window above the timeline. Watch how long the image stays on screen and see if it matches the pacing of your video. If it still feels too fast or too slow, go back to the timeline and fine-tune the length by dragging the edge again. One helpful tip is to think about your audio when adjusting photo duration. If you're adding voiceover or background music, try to match the image length to your narration or beat. This makes your video feel smoother and more intentional instead of rushed. And that's it. That's how you lengthen photo playtime on Clipchamp. It's a simple click and drag adjustment in the timeline, but it gives you full control over how long your images appear in your project. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Clipchamp editing tips, beginner guides, and time-saving tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.